Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gav, and where I talk about aviation, personal finance, and investing. So in today's video, it's going to be a short video. I'm going to talk about investing. So I'm going to talk about NKLA, which is Nikola Motors. As you all know, it switched from VTIQ to NKLA. I'm going to talk about my M1 Finance portfolio and options trading. So let's start with NKLA. Yeah. As you all know, I'm just waiting for the dust to settle. Now that it has, VTIQ now is NKLA. That's November Kilo Lima Alpha. If you're looking for the ticker symbol, and I have good news and bad news for you guys and girls. I no longer own VTIQ. And the good news is that I still have it, but NKLA now. So I still own approximately 121 shares. And my current value now, since the stock market has gone up quite a bit, my current value is now 4,371 and a total gain of 1,570. I haven't increased my positions in NKLA because I'm focusing on other investing strategies, which I'm going to talk about in this video. So over time, I'm going to increase my positions, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to play it by ear, and we'll go from there. So as you all know, too, is when VTIQ and NKLA were approved to merge together, and on 4th of June, NKLA was listed under NASDAQ. And I won't go into details. If you want to watch those videos at your own discretion, it's going to be on this one, on this video. It's right here. And my game plan for this equity or stock is that I'm going to play it by ear, as I mentioned. And my prediction is that in the next 3 to 6 months, the stock price will vary between $35 and $40. Now, after market and the stock market is closed, it's roughly $35.99. I think $36 now. That's last time I looked. And today is the 6th of June and Saturday of 2020. So as the company gains momentum, it will get exposure to the market and media. By the end of the year, my speculation, my prediction is that the stock itself is going to skyrocket to between $45 and $50 by the end of the year. So let's move on to M1 Finance. As you all know, I also have an M1 Finance account. So if you have not and you're a new investor, I have a referral link because I'm affiliated with M1 Finance. I earn a commission with them. So if you open an account, I'll leave the link down below. I'll leave the link in the description down below where you open up an M1 Finance account. Actually, there was one person that used my referral link. To that person, thank you. Cheers. I just had to take a sip of my coffee. You may be wondering why I'm using a red wine cup for my iced coffees, because I'm maximizing the ROI of my cup. That's just the sole purpose of it. So whoever used my referral link down below from an M1 Finance, thank you so much. You motivate me to create more videos just like this one. And if you have not, you can use the referral link down below. It will help me out a lot as well. I believe you earn $10 by opening an account, and in turn, you help me out as well. So with that, let's move on to the M1 Finance plays that I did. So I bought 5 stocks today and just increased my positions. The first one, RTX, and the second one is AT&T. The third one is Microsoft. The fourth one is Avi, and the last one is Realty Income. So I had $500, and I divvy up $100 each to those accounts. And my current value now of my M1 Finance portfolio is $12,715 with an unrealized gain of $2,335. That's 22%, 22.50% increase from the last video that I made, which is going to be right here. And anyway, so that's just the M1 Finance update. Nothing crazy happening. I'm just strictly using my M1 Finance as a dividend portfolio. So, and yeah, that's that. And let's move on to options trading. So I got into options trading at the same time I got to M1 Finance. Excuse me. Before I got into options trading, I did my research. So if you want to get into options trading, please do your own research, because there's there's going to be a lot of risk associated with options trading, and it's a different beast than just buying individual stocks and selling and buying them. So options trading is different. Anyways, you've been forewarned. Please do your own research before you get into options trading. So right now I'm buying options. So I bought on 29th of April 2020, I bought American Airlines, which expires on the 19th of June with a strike price of $13. And as you all know, last Thursday and Friday, the aircraft industry has gone up quite a bit. So American Airlines went from roughly $10 to now it's roughly $17, $18. I cashed out at the peak where it was peaking between $17 and $18. So my profit from that options call trade was 158.9% increase or gain. That translates into 128 cash because I put in $584. And when I cashed out, it was $1,512, which is yields you $928 in cash. So I'm pretty happy with my win. So happy. So I invested that cash out into other options again, and I bought more American Airlines, which is going to expire on the 21st of August with a strike price of $25. The reason why I bought a call instead of a put because the airline industry is picking up and they're increasing all their the flights. And by the end of the summer, I just speculate, I predict that there's going to be more passengers using air travel. The pandemic is still out there, but everyone is confident that we have this under control by following the CDC rules. So by following the CDC rules, we can flatten that curve. So American Airlines, thank you. I made quite a bit of money in there, so I bought more calls, a call option, which is going to expire on the 21st of August. So we'll see how it's going to pan out. Right now, I'm still in the red, but I'm confident that's going to increase in the following months. So after I cash out my $130 there, I bought American Airlines, as mentioned, but I also bought ExxonMobil, which is going to expire on the 17th of July 2020 of this year, and a strike price of $55. And Starbucks too, I bought a call for that, which is going to expire on the 10th of July with a strike price of $83. So the reason why I invested in ExxonMobil is because the gas prices are going up now, as you all know. Where the current stock market is on the rebound, and people start to travel, and it's summertime here in the United States. Well, people would rather drive than use the air travel. So I bought more calls of the ExxonMobil. That's just the reason why I bought it, because people are just going to drive around. They're anxious to drive and they're excited to just drive around from point A to point B, or grocery stores or Disneyland and such. So I bought more of ExxonMobil calls. And Starbucks, because it's summertime, people are going to be visiting the store, buying coffee, iced coffee, and such. So, and I'm also a Starbucks fan, and I love coffee, as you can see here. And yeah, so those are the calls and plays that I've executed this week. And my first ever trade was Coca-Cola, which didn't pan out well. I lost out $200 on that call. It was a call option. I learned my lesson on that one. But at the same time, when I put in my Coca-Cola call, that's when I put American Airlines call, which made me now $128. So it's bottom line up front. Be careful on options trading, and it's addicting. Have a plan, have an ingress and egress plan when you're going into options trading before you start investing or diving into this type of options strategies and such. So you got to have an exit plan before you go dive into it. So that's it, guys. In summary, I talked about NKLA, M1 Finance, options trading. If you have any questions, comments, write them down below. I'll respond to you as soon as I can. And if you have not watched my previous videos, where I talk about aviation personal finance investing, you can browse through my channel and watch those videos up here. And if you want to use my M1 Finance referral link, feel free to do so. I'm not forcing you, but it will help me out a lot by producing more. By using that referral link, you'll earn $10. I'll earn $10, and it's going to be a win-win situation. And if you're a new new investor trying to be financially independent and maybe retire early. So that is it, guys. If you like this video, click that like button and subscribe so you can watch more videos from this channel. And if you are flying this weekend, be careful, stay safe out there. And if you had gains from past several trading days, congratulations. It feels good to win. Again, if you like this video, click that like button. If you have not subscribed, and click that notification, it would help out a lot. I would appreciate it. And if you want to use the M1 Finance referral link, feel free to do so. And if you have not watched my videos, I'll post the links up top. And again, if you're flying this weekend, stay safe, and congratulations on your investing wins this week. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe and have a good one.